Hi guys, welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today I'm taking you guys to Ikea so that we can check out all the new fall items for 2021. I can't wait. I absolutely love shopping at Ikea, taking a look at all of the little fine things that are so unexpected and things that I would not expect to see. Let's get started. IKEA has the best lighting that is unique and inexpensive. Check out the star wall lights or lights that you can hang over the headboard area or in a kid's room, in an office desk area. How unique and cute is this? This year, IKEA has some wonderful sofas, very comfortable, and size-wise, they fit pretty much in any space that you're looking for, whether it's a small apartment. I love all the beautiful pillows that they have out now. I actually picked up a couple of these pillows. They're oversized and absolutely gorgeous. Love this old-fashioned hanging lamp. You see that throughout IKEA. Guys, check out this camel color tufted sofa. It has a very contemporary flair. I think IKEA is finally getting their sofas right. And I just love this particular sofa. It was very comfortable. It comes in an array of colors. You can take the gold camel color or the beige color. Remember, we're going back to our golds, warm tones, moving a little bit away from the grays, and that was in the video in terms of paint colors for 2021. So now the manufacturers are starting to get on board with a lot of these warm tone colors. If you're looking for pillows this season, you need to check out IKEA. Love this pillow, and it's the perfect pumpkin color. It's that terracotta color. Guys, they have pillow covers, and this was $3.99. The velvet was $6.99. And putting these colors together, it's absolutely amazing. But in the image, it looks a little rust, but it's more of a pumpkin color. Size-wise, here's another great seafoam velvet sofa, and it has the chaise lounge next to it. I like the geo pillows a little bit better than the plain pillows, and it just gives it much more of a contemporary look. This beige sofa is everything. It is so classy and elegant. I do love the fabric that was on here. I love the way that you can configure it. It's so chic, so contemporary. And guess what, guys? You can even get it so that it has a sleeper sofa. This is the cutest side chair, color, rocker. All of it's perfect. It's that unexpected twist that you could place in a traditional home or any setting, and I think it's just that element of mixing the different types of decor styles, and it would actually be perfect. Moving into the cabinet area, and I love all the different colors, the textures. Putting these elements together would be perfect. Price-wise, they are wonderful. You can take dressers and make them sideboards. Love the way that they have the insert into the drawers. That makes it extra nice. the bookcases and display case units with the glass doors. These are some wonderful features, and they just give it a little bit more of customization. These glass bottles are so cute and unique, and I know that you guys have seen them, but I was thinking that they would be great for like your olive oil, any type of sauces that you're going to be placing while you're cooking. It's a beautiful glass, and it would look just divine on top of a kitchen countertop. Just strolling through Ikea, having a great time, and then just wait for it, I stumble on, wow, would you look at this faucet? It is absolutely gorgeous. The brass gold is the perfect color. I love the way it just seamless rotate left to right, and then it has an old world knob that you turn the water on and off, guys. And the price, it was like $100. Super affordable. This year at Ikea, I love the fabric that they're placing on their chairs and even the sofas. Just the quality of the fabric is a lot better. Check out this dining room chair and the quality. It's a canvas type fabric. Absolutely love it. I love the detail in the split that they have, which we would call kind of like a pocket finish there, an inverted pleat. And this material is washable. And so this is a slip cover, guys, and it's placed on there and it's attached with Velcro. And that is something that's really usable when you have like a light color and you have kids. You want to be able to take it off and just wash it when need be. Moving on to this rug section. This is the largest amount of rugs that I've seen with quality at Ikea in a long time. Absolutely love the variations of the rugs, the different textures, and just styles. Whoever the buyer is for Ikea, job well done. These are some exquisite rugs. Love the colors, the different patterns on there. And I think if you go to Ikea to look for a rug this year, you guys, you will not be disappointed. I spent a lot of time in the rug section and I thought it was amazing. Some of the jute rugs that are there, the quality of the jute rugs are just breathtaking. Look at this pattern here. And the rug is light color and it's gray. Then we've got this blue rug that would be great in a kid's room. Having a little fun with this cowhide rug, but the quality again, the color is just gorgeous. Check out this because I don't think I've seen the cowhide rug at Ikea before, even though it didn't have a new tag. I'm thinking this is a new item, and even if it's not, the quality is superb. All in all, guys, Ikea had such great finds for this fall season, from the collapsible rattan basket that you can place anywhere. You can put that in a living room, entryway. You can place that in a pantry. Loved all of the great finds. From the faux floral that they had. I'm actually using a couple of these pieces on a new video coming up, guys, for fall decor. Thought it was actually wonderful. Look how real this particular item looks. And then there are these gorgeous wreaths If you do not want to make your own, you can purchase this particular wreath at Ikea. Guys, this bar cart is just amazing. It is so cute and inexpensive, and it can be placed in a kitchen, in a living room, and I love the fact that it's on wheels. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. And then what can I say about this soft throw? It's almost like cashmere, but it's not. It's not cashmere, but it looks really good. So what a wonderful day that we had shopping at Ikea. You guys take a look at Ikea and check out some of the new fall items that they have for 2021. If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.